All right, if you want all your Google apps working together smoothly. Yeah, linking Drive with Google Workspace makes a huge difference. In this full guide, I'll show you how to connect and use Google Drive with Google Workspace, step by step. First, sign in using your Google Workspace account. This gives you access to all connected apps. Now, open Google Drive from the Google Apps menu. Inside Drive, you can create docs, sheets, slides, forms, and more directly from the New button. Google Workspace makes collaboration easier. Just share files with your team using their Workspace emails. For team collaboration, use shared drives so files stay accessible to the whole organization. You can attach Drive files directly in Gmail without downloading anything. During meetings, you can instantly share docs or presentations stored in Drive. Install Google Drive for Desktop to sync Workspace files across your devices automatically. Workspace admins can manage sharing permissions, storage, and security settings centrally. And yeah, that's how you link Google Drive with Google Workspace. Once connected, your workflow becomes way faster and more organized.